Assemble of the V10 machine. Install 4 wheels first. Install the transparent board. Align the 4 screw holes and tighten the screws. Note that the white side of the transparent board is facing upwards. Install the display. Socket facing up. Connect the screen cable. Align the screw holes and tighten the screws. Install the hanging bracket. Align the 4 screw holes and tighten the screws. Install the accessories holder. Tighten the screws. Install the left shelf. Alignment interface. Then tighten. Install the rack and align with the 3 screw holes. Tighten the screws. Install the right rack. Alignment interface. Then tighten. Install the rack and align with the 3 screw holes. Tighten the screws. First, to install LiPo laser pads. There is an indication point on the wiring port, which needs to be aligned with the indication point on the socket and then install. Then is large roller handle. Align the pins, connect the cable. Then is middle roller handle. Align the pins, connect the cable. Assemble the face head. The upper cable connector point. Align the point and connect the cable. Assemble the V10 head. Align the pins, connect the cable. For TK head, the upper cable connector point. Align the point and connect the cable. Assemble the eyes head. The upper cable connector point. Align the point and connect the cable. Tighten it. After installation, place the handle wire above the rack. Connect the power cord. Open the machine.